We have already discussed about FHRI. What is FHRI? What's the full form of FHRI? So now today we'll discuss the role of FHRI. FHRI helps the hospitality industry to grow, prosper and keep in pace with the development in the international scenario. It is committed to the progress of industry through the various activities like education and training, research and publication, and annual convention to promote interaction with government officials, political leaders and stakeholders of the industry. The main objectives of the establishment are, or the association are, to plan, promote and protect by lawful means the interest of hotel industry, to help raise the standards, growth, efficiency and an image of industry both in India and abroad, to project the industry's role as a contributor to employment generation through expansion of services for domestic export markets, to take up, consider and discuss issues of national and international importance affecting the industry, to communicate with industrial association, chambers of commerce and other commercial, industrial or public bodies within and outside India, and to concentrate on promotional measures for protection of business and commercial activities of the industry. It gives high priority to activities designed to bring about improvement in the performance of industry such as energy conservation, R&D. R&D means research and development, export, technology transfer and development, human resource development, quality, productivity, etc. To undertake, organize and facilitate national and international conferences, seminars, study courses, lectures, develop action oriented programs and similar other activities in the interest of the industry at such places and at such time as may be determined. To establish subsidies, promote, maintain close contact, to cooperate or amalgamate with, affiliate or become affiliated to any federation or join any association, acts as trustees or agents, or manage, control, superintend lend monetary assistance to or otherwise assist any association and institution incorporated or non-incorporated with objects altogether or in part similar to those of the association, and which may prohibit the payment of such profit to its members. To establish and maintain libraries and data banks so that timely information, data, advisory and research services can be provided, and the study of advanced trends and problems etc. of the industry can be facilitated both in India and abroad. To acquire and patent or licenses relating to such inventions for use by members on such terms as may be agreed upon, and to seek appropriate modification of legislative or other measures affecting the industry and allied subjects. To establish a network at the national, regional and state level in order that grassroots services and relationships are formed for the purposes of promotion of the objectives of the association. So there are different objectives been set by the FHRI. Another one is to constitute and maintain a human resource center for qualified staff, to select managers, chefs, confectionaries, maitre d' hotel, bartenders, housekeepers, etc., as and when needed by the hotels in different regions, and to consider labor and personal problems faced thereto by the industry. To run hotel schools of international standards and reputation. So FHRI has set up some objectives to run the organization. So they will help in the research and development. They will have a knowledge library. They will have a acquire knowledge, all the latest trends which are going on in the industry. They will promote schools of international standard, hospitality and tourism schools, and along with that they will have certain human resource center for qualified staff. They will act as an supplier of manpower to different organization when and wherever required. So the FHRI is overall the association which is basically helping the industry, the hotel industry, from all sides. So they that's the main role of them, and they are subdivided into 4 regions, like eastern, western, southern and northern. So every part have a person responsible who takes care of each of the areas, and then they have the president, the central committee, who every region will be informing will be passing the information to the central committee. The president is the overall decision maker of the association. That's it for today. Thank you.